Any of the popular short funny videos that you watch on a daily basis, like from TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, were more than likely made with CapCut Video Editor, but more precisely, CapCut Templates. It's easy, free, and fun. Let me show you. The CapCut Video Editor is the free tool that everybody is using to make these funny videos that you enjoy watching on a daily basis. The app is available on iPhone, iOS, iPad with iPadOS, Mac on macOS, and even Android. It won't get you to make the next Dune Part 3 movie, but it will for sure help you build fun, quality, short-form content or videos like the one you're watching right now, and pretty much every video in my YouTube channel. To use CapCut Template, you need to open the CapCut app and head to Template tab. Here you'll see the recommended for you template and popular ones, also genre-based. For example, lifestyle for those gym rats and people that like their motivational stuff. Then you have your For You page for stuff recommended for you. I think it's ironic that this one's being recommended to me. And so you can modify here the text, as you've seen in so many of the popular funny ones. And of course, it wants me to turn on notifications. That's a no-no. Then you can go to following, because you can actually follow template creators. I'm going to show you this example on the TikTok one. Here's the crush meme. You can follow this creator. You can like this template. You can check the comment section. There's a lot of gold nuggets in there. And then you can use template at the bottom right. Here, select photo. It needs to be 2.3 seconds long. Sometimes videos are required to be that long and it won't let you put a video that's shorter. But for this, you can do an image and it'll make it 2.3 seconds long. And of course here you can modify certain aspects of it. Some other things they won't let you because it's a template. And of course you can change the audio on this content. You can use your own audio if you want to. You can add text to it or modify text. And over here on the media section, you can do an AI effect or crop it. Cropping it will allow you to select a specific section of a video if you did put a video, and of course adjust color grading and all that good stuff. Hit export on the top right, and before we do, look at the beautiful. It's better than the Halo TV show already. And then you hit export, and in here you can select on the top right where the resolution is. You can change resolution and the HDR and get done with that. And of course, you can save to your device with a watermark, Instagram, because they don't want you to share to Instagram, with a watermark, or share to TikTok without a watermark. And so you're going to want to save and share to TikTok. It's going to export your video, open your TikTok, and I won't allow it to check my photos, so they can't try and post it. And then you're saved. It's in your photos library, and you're done. Let me show you another quick example. Let's do a motivational one that I found really interesting up here. This one, reminder. You can change this text, use template. We require 7.1. We're going to do this short that I created. And there you go. You can see we can create the text and it's right here. Tap it and you can do whatever you need to do to it. Stay strong, my friends. We must stay strong, or we must be strong. Let me know how that goes. I can't remember the saying. But yeah, there you go. You will see that as a CapCut Pro user, I can do a custom edit and actually modify different aspects of this in a deeper way. But for most of the time, you're just going to want the basic user interface. If you want to learn more about CapCut, make sure you follow the channel. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the CapCut Video Editor template. There you have it. Now go ahead and create some fun, entertaining, quality content to share with friends or on social media like TikTok and YouTube Shorts if it doesn't get banned. Stick around with a subscribe and a like if you want to learn more stuff like this. I'm your host, N107 for Richie Rich Labs. See you in the next video.